Nigo magega oyo ogosirumega yo gwikwa bosio obwe Ekegambero nekiombekeria gyo kurwania obokurumi EACC meyensi ya Kenya asa omocho yobotumikio obe bwabisi nigo bono monachibi no monene gwegambere ogia kisi Bernard omwansa amubwatokeire amo yo kabeire monogeri bwensemo yebunge ya county ya Kisi David Kombo amocho aye yo obotugosio yobotumikio obe bwechibesa ka kwana ekere kyo monachibi no monene Bernard nigo bono aye nekiribuna oboene bonde bwensi tiwarengo hasa mocho ayo umwakiri George Murara amo ona Andrew Kombo onigo bono bagikeire okunacho okwo na kobuna kotebanga nigo bono obwene bwaye baberkoba abogikani bwa asenchira ya bwene
Republic versus SG 2022. I find that the prosecution has failed to establish a prima facie case against either the first accused or the second accused. Pursuant to section 210 of the Criminal Procedure Code, I accordingly find that both accused persons have no case to answer and are hereby acquitted of the charge. The cash bail be released to the depositors as prayed.
Of July 2026, before the Chief Magistrate Court at Kisii, also doubling up as the Anti-Corruption Court at Kisii, before Honorable Chief Magistrate Omwansa Bernard, the case that was before the court against Baka, the former acting clerk to the Kisii County Assembly, and the former speaker, David Kombo of the Kisii County Assembly, a case under the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, Section 46, abuse of office. The case has been dismissed after the court having a finding that the prosecution did not prove the charge beyond any reasonable doubt. Or staff of the Anti-Corruption Commission who dramatically arrested him or abducted him from Nairobi and drove him overnight from Nairobi, aligning him in court, disregarding an earlier order from the same court that Mzee presents himself before the court to take a plea for this matter. It is a victory for the legal team that has religiously and diligently prosecuted this matter. The evidence that was presented did not meet the threshold of convicting or finding Mzee to have a case to answer before a court of law. Trumped up judges, the evidential capacity, the documents that were presented did not link the former speaker Mzee Kombo, or rather they did not bring him near the scene of the same crime that the anti-corruption alleged.
I want to thank my God. I thank God because the truth has at least been brought up. I want to thank my lawyers. The two lawyers did a wonderful job. They did a wonderful job, but at least bringing it before the court that I have never and I will not want to commit any crime.
He's one of the most humble people that I know. He's one of the most religious people that I know. Because I've lived with him, I have seen what he does. All this that was happening in court, which was